Hello, welcome back. It's Arma Bricks, and this time we do have a special video that we are doing, and with cooperation with LitLug, the local lug at Lithuania. I do have opportunity to create a diorama for this Christmas season, and it will be put in one of the biggest shops in the country. So what we do have in the first one is the medieval castle, the new and big expensive set from Lego, and two sets from Harry Potter. So my idea was, to incorporate the castle, to have it on some kind of mountain. And what I did in addition, I've changed some pieces to white ones to represent the snow. So I do think it looks quite okay. Of course, if I had a bit more time on that, maybe it would look even better. But yeah, with the time and the parts and the sets that I have, it went really okay. At least I'm happy with end result. So this castle is sitting on the IKEA box, the biggest one, and on the sides we do have a lot of 2x4 white bricks. A lot of it went like a huge amount of it. And yeah, I can even show that this bag was full of those white bricks. So imagine how many bricks went into this mountain. Of course, the castle is big, so you do need to expect to have a lot of bricks involved here. So Shrieking Shack is right here, and we do have some characters that are hiding, and some of them are wanting to get in. We do have the tree with Harry Potter here. So all the medieval minifigures are here. The Black Falcons, the Queen, the other Lion Knights. Everybody is there. So yeah, something is happening, on the castle. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And some of the Harry Potter stuff as well, right here. Of course, I would like to have a bit more details here, but yeah, probably I will not make it on the deadline. So probably the highlight on this scene will be the medieval castle, Lion Knight's castle, with the snow elements on the quite big mountain. So yeah, thank you for watching. I will let you know in regarding other dioramas that I'm building, because there will be two more. So stay tuned to see what kind of those will be. And yeah, see you soon. Thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.